Happy Christmas and Happy New Year to all my Nigeria friends. Yes, and I do cherish you people. Always you do watch my videos and then understand how and then some of the message I used to bring it to the Nigerian people and how I want Nigeria a change of behavior and then a change of characters because Nigeria is a giant of Africa. So if Nigeria are able to change some attitudes and some behaviors, automatically, giant of Africa will automatically will be one of the greatest things, and then people will appreciate whatever things Nigeria want or whatever Nigeria is projects in Africa and then the world. Yes, New Year 2025. What I am urging all Nigeria is behavior change and then reduction of some maladaptive behaviors which people will talk more about it. All those behaviors need to come down, and then the giant of Africa, and then one of the biggest country in Africa, people will do cherish and then will understand the reason why Nigeria always bring out some unique characters and then some unique behaviors. And then from 2025, people will not talk more about Nigeria, but always will hear good thing and then good behavior about Nigerians. Cherish you, Nigerians. Cherish you, Africa. Cherish you, good behavior in 2025 and beyond. Thank you very much for understanding. Senior Counselor. Bye bye.